2015 Kia Sorento. Driver's side headlight bulb is out. And of course it's nighttime because when the light bulbs go out, nighttime. I'm gonna show you how to replace it today. The first thing you're gonna wanna do is pop the hood. There's your light. There's the back. Got a cap right here. Quarter turn, the cap comes off. You look in there, that's your headlight bulb right there. Give it a quarter turn, pops right out. You don't need gloves for this part. There's your headlight bulb right there. Okay, once you pull it out, you grab the socket, you grab the bulb. This is only with the old bulb, and you just pry it loose. 2 prongs right there. There's the part number. Extra Vision 87 is the bulb. When you go to Advanced or Auto, you ask for that. Get yourself a pair of gloves. Get yourself some bulb grease. Okay, show you. Whenever you change the bulb, you don't ever want to touch the glass because your fingers have grease on it, and that shortens the life of the bulb. There's different strengths in the Sylvania line. I just got the Extra Vision. You got Silver Star and you got Silver Star Ultra. In my opinion, the hotter the light, the brighter the light, the shorter the lifespan. You do your research and you find that out to be the case. So I just went with the basic one. It's bright enough, OEM quality, and we're gonna run with that. Also, when you're changing a headlight bulb, if you have one light bulb out, change the other one, do it in pairs so they last the same. When you use the one that was working as your backup just in case. The reason why I said that is because if you put a brand new bulb and one that's used, you're gonna have 2 different brightnesses. So, in my opinion, the way I always done it, one goes out, do them both. You're gonna take your grease, put a little bit on each prong. Don't touch the glass. A little there. A little there. A little there. A little there, that's it. Clean your fingers off, put your gloves on. Yep. Take your new bulb, don't touch the glass even though you have gloves on because you never know. There's your prongs. And if you look at it, you have a little nipple right there, indentation. That nipple will fall into right here, into that gap. So just take it like so, press it in, the nipple goes into the gap, firmly into place, put it in the hole. Once it's in the hole, you give it a quarter turn clockwise, and that locks it in. Take your cap, see it has a rubber gasket on here. That's to keep moisture out. Quarter turn, and it's done. Yeah. Okay. There's the passenger side, quarter of a turn counterclockwise. Grab your harness. Yeah. Okay. Once you have it out, there's your grease. There's your nipple on that side. You don't touch the bulb. It goes right in there. Press it firmly. It locks in. Turn it in. Quarter turn. Check it to make sure it's not loose. Take your cap, make sure the seal is good. Put it on, quarter turn, and you're good to go. There you go, both headlights working. Like I said, this is a 2015 Kia Sorento. Hope that video helped. If you have any questions, leave them below. I'll answer everybody. All right, take care, fellas.